Morning down. So എല്ലാവരും മാത്സ് പഠിക്കാൻ റിവൈസ് ആയിട്ട് ഇരിക്കുകയല്ലേ. സോ നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ പഠിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത് വെച്ചാൽ സെക്കൻഡ് ഡിഗ്രി ഇക്വേഷൻ ആണ് അല്ലേ. So in the last class we discussed what is second degree equation. So Chitra, can you tell me what is second degree equation? What is meant by second degree equation? Yes, correct. So the power of x in second degree equation is 2. There are those type of equations we call it as second degree equation. So probably can you give me an example of second degree equation?
X square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0.
Correct. So when we generalize, we can say that a second degree equation is in the form ax square plus bx plus c. Correct? So I can go like this: a function p of x is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So this is a general formula for second degree equation. Last class we learned how to solve this equation using the formula for completing the square. So today we are going to learn a new concept. The name of the concept is called solving using formulas. So as the name suggests, we will use some formula to solve this equation. I am going to write the formula of the code. The formula is, to find the value of x, we have to do minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So in this equation there are some terms a, b and c. So can anyone tell me what is a in this equation? Ajina. Correct. In this equation the term a is coefficient of x square. So next is b. Can anyone tell me what is b? Anjali.
Coefficient of x.
Correct. In this equation the term b represents the coefficient of x. So can anyone tell me what does c represent? Fasana. Correct. C is the constant here. So now we know what a, b, c or a, b and c represents. We will do a problem so we can understand this deeply. So the problem is p of x equal to 5x square plus 14x minus 3 equal to 0. So this is our problem. From this problem, can anyone tell me what are the values of a, b and c? A is equal to 5. Correct. What is b? 40. And what is c?
Minus 3.
Minus 3. Correct. So now we will write the formula to solve the problem. X is equal to, can anyone tell the formula?
Minus 3 plus or minus root of 1 square minus 4ac
Divided by 2. So we have got a, b and c are there. So we will substitute these values in this equation. So it will become, what is minus b? Correct. Minus 40 plus or minus root of 14 square minus 4x. What is a and c? 5 into minus 3 divided by 2. What is a? 2 into 5. So we are going to do operation inside the root in a separate way. So it will not be consistent afterwards. So inside the root we have 14 square minus 4 into 5 into minus 6. So what is 14 square? 196. Correct. 196 minus, we have to simplify this. 4 into 5 is 20 and 20 into 3 is 60. We have 2 minus and here. So we have to multiply that side. So this whole thing will become 86 divided by what is 2 into 5? 10. So can anyone tell me what is root of 256? Anjali?
16.
Correct, good. So we have minus 14 plus or minus root plus or minus what is root 256? 16. 16 divided by 10. So when you see we have plus and minus both the sides. So when we solve this value for x, we will get two answers. One is positive and one is negative. So we are going to split this plus or minus. We have minus 14. The first answer will be plus 16 by 10, and the second answer will be minus 14 minus 16 by 10. So what is the answer for this?
2 by 10.
2 by 10. And what is minus 14 minus 2 by 10? Minus 30 by 10. So when we simplify this, we will get the answer 1 by 5 and minus 3. So when we solve this p of x is equal to 5x square plus 14x minus 3, we get two answers as a solution of x. Those are 1 by 5 and minus 3. So I hope everyone understood how to use this formula